Hi, I'm Lisa from Approveit, and today I want to show you how granular access permissions work in Approveit. Granular access permissions allow you to create custom roles and to assign permissions to each custom role. Then custom roles can be assigned to your team members. Each team member can have several custom roles. Let me show you how to set it up. To create a custom role, you have to go to the Team section and then you have to go to the Roles tab right here. As you can see, you have two roles that cannot be removed. So this is an admin and this is a member. So admin is a role that has all the permissions. We have 45 permissions in total. So these are the permissions related to workflows, approval requests, different parts of the menu. So admin is like a super admin. So admin role means that a person can do everything in Approveit, including creating workflows, editing workflows, viewing workflows, viewing all the approval requests, creating the approval request, and so on and so forth. So admin role has all the permissions. Member role, one more role that cannot be removed or cannot be edited, is a standard role, and this role allows you to create requests. It allows you to view the requests that you have created and the requests that you have approved. Again, two roles, admin and member roles, cannot be edited or cannot be removed because they are built into the system. If you want to create a custom role, what you have to do, you have to click here, New Role. Then you have to fill the form. So you have to give the role a name, you have to write down the description. It's optional, up to you, but it's better to write it down so you don't forget what this particular role is for. So I have created a role for Customer Success Management Department, and as you can see, I have already selected the permissions for workflows and for approval request section. So let's have a look here. So for the workflows, I have added the permission to view workflows, to create workflows, edit workflows, and delete workflows. I haven't given the audit permission. So this is like an audit access, and this is designed specifically for your audit trials. Audit access permission allows you to bypass workflow privacy. Again, so this is just for audit purposes where a role is needed that can view all the workflows and can view all the requests. So we have audit access for workflows and we have audit access for approval requests where all the requests will be available for our audit trial. Let's get back to our customer success management department. So for the workflows, we have discussed already, and for the approval requests, we have given it the permission to view, submit, and manage any approval requests. So admin override. As you can read right here, so this permission is only needed for admins who would step in when team members are unavailable. So generally, this permission is not required. Okay, once my role is created, I just have to click Save Changes here, and that's it. Now, if I want to give this role to a specific team member, I have to go to the Team section right here. Then I just need to select to the user, for example, this one. Let me select anyone, like let me select Julia here. So what I have to do, I have to click here. You see, for Julia, it's not available because Julia is already an admin, like a super admin, and Julia has already all the permissions available. Let's select myself. So Lisa, I have given me the customer success management department role, and I can add more roles if needed. Again, as I have already mentioned, one team member can have several different roles, and the permissions for these roles will be combined. Now let's imagine the situation that we want to give access to a particular workflow only for a specific role. For example, we have customer onboarding and we want to give access to customer onboarding workflow only for the role customer success management department. So what we have to do, we have to go to the workflow. So for me, it's customer onboarding. I have to click access right here and I have turn on access limited. And then I have to specify, I can specify user, department or role. So I will specify my role, customer success management department. And I can also choose workflow or requests, meaning that I can specify whether the role has access to workflow or to the request created using a particular workflow customer onboarding. Once this is done, I just have to click save and my access settings will be updated once I click save over here. That's it. That's how granular access permissions work in Approveit. If you have any questions, we are always happy to help you. Thank you.